What's up guys, this is Tech Pro here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a screen protector properly on an iPhone X. So first of all, you should get your screen protector out and any accessories that were included. Even if there were no accessories with the screen protector, you can just use any microfiber cloth that's lying around. You just need to clean the screen. So first, you should take out the accessories, if there were any. I have this dust sticker included, so I'll just set that aside. And there's an alcohol prep swab, which I'll be using now. And I've got a microfiber cloth, and yeah, that's it. So first of all, you have to turn off your phone. And then you can use a alcohol prep swab to remove any grease or slime or dirt on the screen or anywhere on the phone for that matter. So you just wipe it thoroughly. Make sure that there's no dirt on the screen. And then you can wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth. You should wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth so there are no fingerprints or finger marks anywhere. This will ensure that you have the best fit for the tempered glass. As you can see, there are no fingerprints or finger marks anywhere. And then you should get the dust removal sticker. Some people prefer to use this after the installation if there's any dust under the tempered glass. But I recommend that you use the dust sticker to remove any dust from the screen before also. So you just remove the dust from the screen. If there is any dust and then you install the screen protector, it won't be good. And also make sure that there's no finger marks, as this is the final cleaning process. As you can see, the phone is proper now, and then now I'll be installing the screen protector. You may turn on the phone now because it's hard to line up with the notch, so you can just turn it on now, or if you're confident, you can go ahead and just install the screen protector as it is now. But I recommend that you turn on the phone if you find it hard to line it up the notch. And then after it's all lined up perfectly, you just press it in the middle and then it'll stick by itself. And if there are any bubbles, if they're small bubbles, they might go away in time. Or you can just remove it using the dust removal sticker. Like this. And yeah, there it is. So you just wipe it once more with a microfiber cloth so that you have the perfect finish, and then you're ready to go. There's a minor bubble here, but it will go away in time. Now you can use your phone without worrying what's going to happen to it.